Hi everybody, this is Squirrels Magnificent and Outdoors. We're at a personal lake where everybody can go fishing. I tried a little bit of magnificent here today. It's a beautiful lake. I tried right in here. I didn't find much. I didn't find nothing up in this area. I went up along this trail right here while I'm on. It's like right here. Show you where I was at. We're still at the view of the lake. This is called Possum Lake. I'm not going to tell you the place where it's located at. So we're still going to show you the part of the lake here. I did do some fishing. I think around in that area somewhere. Somewhere in that area somewhere. I can't remember. Did catch us like a small bullhead catfish one year. That's about it. I also did some a live streaming here about a year ago. I didn't catch any. I didn't catch anything, but it's a nice fishing area. And I was up in here. This is about the furthest I went. I started throwing my magnet up around in this area in here. Threw it up in here to in here. From here to here. I got a couple lures out. That's about it. Nothing major. So we're just going to give you on a little nature walk up through here. Still show you part of the lake here. I mean, you can go, you can't keep bass in here. You can't keep them. Because I was told that you can't keep bass if they're trying to get the population back up. But if they do stock it, I think there's still trout in here still. If I'm not mistaken. But you can't keep trout. So we're just going to be walking up along this trail. I think you're allowed having boats out through here. But you can't have nothing like a real powerful boat or nothing. But I think you can have like a rowboat or a trolling motor. That's about it. So I think that's about all you can have is a trolling motor or a kayak. But which I don't have. And there is somebody going fishing down here. I don't want to bother him while he's fishing. I thought I'd just do a little bit of recording here of this place right here. I mean, you can still go fishing up in here. Still. I think until, I think up to January, but I don't go fishing all the way up that high. So, I'll just show you. Oh, we have a bull cow going off. There's the sun setting. If you can see it right between the trees, is right there, starting to sunset. Right up through there. Here's the whole lake. Right up and through here. I mean, it's nice. It's really pretty. A really nice lake. We're just going underneath this tree here. So I mean, we'll just give you a small view of the lake. Here's some of the back end of it back in there. It's kind of difficult place to find up in here if you're in PA. Some of you might know where this place is at, but I don't know if you're allowed to go in metal detecting in here or around the area. I don't know. It was just, I guess it's just fishing only, I guess. You will see deer maybe up through here. We'll just take you up around through here. Oop, up through here a little bit. You can have a picnic up here. We'll just show you some of the places up here. We have a couple nests up here, like a bird's nest or squirrel's nest. Try to take you down a little further. There's a playground for kids to play on. See if I can show you more of this lake. See, there's the playground for kids to play on. Show you more of the lake here once I get down here. I haven't been down through this direction. Might come down here maybe next Sunday, maybe. See what I can find down here. I haven't been down this section of the lake. Not down this far. But it's a pretty big, huge lake, I tell you that, folks. It's pretty big. It's pretty big. We have a walkway I didn't know about, but now I do. We're only going to go out so far because I think they unhook it for the season. Right here, I think they unhook it for the season where you can go out. Yeah, they did. Right here, there's the hooks where it goes to. We lost somebody's. We had somebody lost somebody's sippy cup. Yeah, down in there. Show you another portion of this lake. I think they put this in there too. I think I don't know. I really don't know. I really don't know if they stick that in there or not, or they just use it for kids to play on. But way in the distance, right there, is where the dam's at. See if we can bring it in for you. Right there. There's the dam. Right there. If I just zoom it out for you guys. Because I know it's getting late. We'll just take a little stroll up around through here. We're still at Possum Lake. Like I said, you're not allowed having big motors in here. Yeah, I think you're allowed to have trolling motors only. There it is. You can see it a little closer. Try to bring it in for you guys so you can see it a little bit more of the dam. Right there. We'll just zoom back out. And we have like sections of the wooded areas. back in here. This video will be uploaded on Monday. But we're all gonna try do some magnifish up here sometime. Maybe next year, or when the weather gets a little warmer out.
This yard is where you would put a boat if you have a boat.
There are kids playing on the playground. So like I said, there's a playground up here. Like there's a playground. They do have picnic areas. So we're just gonna walk back to the car. Show you the view of the lake again. See the guys down there fishing. We're just gonna go walk right back to the car. See all the swing sets for the kids to play on. They do have portable bathrooms. So I'll just go ahead and show you guys all this. Like I said, all I found was like a couple lures. I ain't gonna show them because there ain't really nothing there to show for. So we're just taking a nice little, like another nature walk. So you can still see the lake up there, up through here. People can go. You can't go swimming in it though. That's the problem. You can't go swimming. And we're just going back to the car. And I will put this out again on Monday. And for reminder, I will be up at Gettysburg next Saturday for the Remembrance Day Parade. I think it kicks off between 12 and 1 o'clock, I think. I will be live streaming on the YouTube side. And I hope everybody will join me for that. And also, I just got a notification by somebody to give them a shout out. That'd be Carl Rock. He asked me to give him a shout out. So if you guys don't have Carl Rock, that's CARLROC. That's his channel name. So if you haven't checked out Carl Rock, go ahead and then go to his channel. Don't forget to subscribe and ring his notification bell. And also, if you guys catch this video, please ring the notification bell and subscribe, because I know some of you all can't get my notification, and some of you do. So I really appreciate it, because I think it's locked on my side. It has to be unlocked. But according to the cell phones, it's turned on. But on my side, I think it's turned off. So we're heading back to the car right now. So please like and subscribe to Squirrel's Magnificent and Outdoors. I really appreciate all my subscribers. And if you're new here, don't forget to ring the bell again and subscribe and let me know who you are. And I'll catch everybody on the next one. And this is Squirrel's Magnificent and Outdoors. I'll see everybody later. Bye.